Alright, what's up guys? So right now we're actually walking to the Miata. I keep it in my neighbor's garage. I don't have enough room in mine right now, so they let me keep it in their storage, I mean, for the winter, so I can't complain. It hasn't been started in about 2 weeks now. I ordered the exhaust on December 23rd, and it is finally going to be arriving today from what UPS says. So I'm going to go get it out of storage, get it down to my house, let it run for a little while, let it cool off, pull the exhaust off, and put the new stuff on, and then we'll drive it around and see how it sounds. Oh yeah, there it is. Hasn't been moved in a couple of weeks. I'm hoping it starts right up. Alright, it didn't give me any beep, so let's give it a whirl. All the lights are on, kind of dim, but let's see how it goes. Look at that. Now that's a Miata. It's been sitting for 2 weeks now almost and fired up like it was nothing. Can't be more satisfied with that, so I'm gonna let it run for a while, get it in the garage, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we got it in the garage now. I'm still letting it run for a little while, I mean, because it's been sitting for 2 weeks, so we're gonna just let it run for a little while, and then go inside, get some gloves, tools, get a heater, because it is only like 20 something degrees out here. It's a little chilly, but we'll warm it up in the garage, let the car cool off, let the exhaust cool off, because you know it'll be really hot, and then we'll get to taking this stuff off, and hopefully the new stuff will be here by then. Usually the UPS guy comes about 2-3 o'clock, and it's 11:30 now, so I figure it'll take a couple hours, let it sit, do whatever, and then put the new stuff on. Alright guys, so the car has cooled off now for a little while. Got our light going here, got our stands. Unfortunately these do not work. They do rub on the bumper before you get all the way up and stuff like that, so we'll just kick these things to the side and use jack stands and a jack. Unfortunately I don't like that, but it's what we're gonna have to do. So now we're gonna get our, let's see, we got liquid wrench here and some PV blaster. This stuff we'll have to do, I guess, for now. I mean, this is what we'll use to get those stuck bolts off. I did hit them a little while ago, so they should come off pretty easy. Hopefully they come off easy. I hate wrenching on stuff super hard when you're on jack stands. That's why I prefer these things, but we'll do what we can with them. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in here and hit all the bolts and hangers so that they should all come out pretty easily and unattach. And one thing I noticed is, you guys can probably tell, this exhaust is actually semi-new. I mean, it has the original tag on it right here from the last person that owned it. So maybe I can get some good money for this and pay back a little of the ISIS exhaust with it. Alright guys, so a little update where I'm at. I'm not even gonna bother showing you too much time. I mean, I spent about half an hour just trying to get off these two rusted bolts on the cap. Pain in the butt. I mean, they're rusted on there so bad. I mean, I used PV blaster, liquid wrench, lubricant oil, and penetrating oil, and then even a little bit of WD-40. I didn't want to do heat, and that was my last resort, but I finally got them loose. It's actually those two bolts right there connected on there, and then I didn't even attempt those yet. So I got those two free, and that works to the back, to the muffler, all the rest of the exhaust. So I'm going to work on getting those other two out, focus on hitting those, then rip this exhaust system off. UPS did not come yet, so it hasn't been dropped off, but hopefully I'll be ready as soon as it is dropped off, and then we can throw that on. Should be simple. It comes with the gaskets, all the hardware, everything like that. The hangers on here actually look like they have been replaced, So we won't need new rubber hangers because they look semi-brand new. So I mean, I guess that's a plus side. So when I get those other two off and the exhaust comes, I'll pick that from there. Gotta get the stickers out first, you know?
Yeah, my stickers are there.
Oh yeah.
They don't say ISIS on, do they?
Yeah, they do.
No, it's ISR.
Okay.
ISR. Dude, if it said ISIS, that would be so much better. Got this nuclear weapon right here.
Anthony ordered me a t-shirt that said fuck ISIS on it.
This box doesn't make any sense.
A lot of boxes of farm food are like that.
Staples.
Well, it's opening like this.
Alright, RPG.
Wrapping.
Got the AKs, the RPGs.
Definitely gonna be a few AKs and some mags in here, I hope.
See all this crack cocaine?
Where's the depleted uranium?
Nice packaging, so if it blows up, it just melts all this.
How would it blow up?
Obviously nothing in there.
Dude, oh, this could be my new mattress.
Go ahead.
We got a dog bed.
Yeah, see, look at it's plugged, unless you take that out.
Is that the cat?
Yep, that's pretty free flowing. If you look in there,
Nothing.
pretty much nothing. Alright. And it does come with the gaskets. And whatever that is.
It's a sink tap.
Who knows, but it's all new.
Is that
That's a tip.
the goddamn Miata?
Dear fucking.
Or a Miata.
That's a 4-inch tip for you.
You want to hear what it sounds like? I'll go get my camera.
Yeah.
Oh wait, is it on your phone?
No, it's actually on Facebook.
It's on my phone.
Alright, well, now we gotta finish getting the rest.
That needs to come out right here.
No, at the hood.
Wait, you said it needs to come over here?
Yeah.
Dude, we could easily replace it with the blow-off valve.
Dude, let's do a rear antenna delete.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It would make it look so much smoother.
And then whatever this goddamn screw thing is.
Alright, well, I guess if you guys want to unwrap that, lay it out there. Don't even take it off then.
You're gonna have this come out of the hood and get a little tractor flap.
Yeah. Easily. So, yeah, my fingers. Okay, so now, wait, this must be it. I feel like this is definitely, I think this is definitely, no, it can't be. Actually, it is. That is right where the O2 sensor goes. Do I bother putting it in there? No. I don't need to do it.
You're only racing this, aren't you?
It's race car, dude.
Yeah.
So how do I break the O2 sensor?
Fucking hammer.
But if I need to connect a new one.
Just screw it or just like
No,
slide in?
it screws in like this. Because this has threads on it. So how do I break the O2 sensor? Let me go see what that looks like. Yeah, you go under there, I'll open
Is there a light under there?
No, you can take that light.
Now we have to figure out how to break something. Other than not careful.
Yeah, that is a header. Header. That's not a header. Header. I can't use it.
Cat.
Turbo manifold and straight pipe.
No, the fucking,
How did we get that one off though?
we need to figure out how to break it. If we can't break something with
Should I just cut it? Straight up cut it.
Yes.
with
Air compressor and a saw. But will it blow up?
It won't blow up.
But will it shoot sparks?
Yeah.
And spark me?
Yeah.
huh?
And this right here is the gas tank.
I had to weld
No,
the
it's not.
exhaust
Never
on the
mind.
green machine. That was horrible. That would be nothing.
I just want it on.
Wait, give me like clamps.
Yeah, it's right next to you. The vice grip is right next to you. Did you get it?
Yep.
Oh,
Yes!
he's the man.
Okay, I got it!
Wait,
Fuck you, bitch! Fuck you!
All right, now we got to get the rest of it off.
You're not a mechanic until you can break.
That's right. You are not a mechanic.
Should I leave this piece hanging?
Just leave it hanging there, yes, because we could actually reuse it if I take it off. All right, roll out, and then we're gonna get this off, and then we're gonna put that on.
Bro, I swear to God, we have the same 3 first numbers.
You have 339?
I think so.
Oh man, check out this old cat.
What do you want?
Sounds like a brick. Oh, and that perfect gasket. Absolutely perfect gasket.
Reuse it.
I might just have to reuse it. Except, this is amazing.
She sounds good.
Yes. Yes. Now you got warmed up.
Good way to warm it up is to just red light.
I can already tell it's gonna be deep right away.
Yeah, money right when it started, yep. No one cares what your damn opinion is, you know.
Keep distance in case the turbo manifold doesn't hold on.
Oh yeah.
Wastegate's looking a little long today. We have to change your soon.
Look at how gay he is looking at his car. Well, Peter, not to bring it to you in any way possible, but they look pretty fucking gay anyways too. Yeah,
She makes good noises now.
we don't know yet. Once you rev it, it might sound like a V12, it might sound like a V. It might sound like a Toyota Corolla. It might sound like a 2003 Subaru Forester with a straight check back to the. No, that's the last thing we want.
Oh, and it's coming out, so that's good.
I gotta be a douchebag. Hey, at least your exhaust is long.
That's pretty.
Here, you can come back here and I'll do it. Give it a man rev.
Just like 4.
Or a red line. Man revs.
That's deep.
There you go.
That's deep.
Yeah.
That is deep. I'm a competitor.
Drop it, come on. We gotta
Hey, just do the fake two-step.
Would you go get my wallet for me, please? Oh man, that ice is exhaust. All right, we're gonna go through a tunnel. Dude, it sounds so good. Something's rattling underneath.
I think that's your license plate.
Yeah, try to pull that. I put a window down, but window switches are out.
does. Yeah,
What if there's a bolt loose?
maybe.
Oh, you know what it is? It's the oxygen sensor smashed.
Yeah. Because there's a little metal casing around it. Check engine light's not even on.
No.
That was 6,000?
Yeah.